Montana is known as Big Sky Country because it doesn't just stop at the landscape. There are some of the most incredible sunsets and sunrises and the craziest clouds I've ever seen in my life out here. Hiking, camping, and backpacking. You can go horseback riding. Just about anything outdoor related is probably here.
Montana is a place of wildness and pretty much pristine backcountry. You got a lot of mountains, glaciers, rivers, prairies, wildlife.
I think folks should visit Montana for the adventure, for the communities, both human and wild.